Need to measure something accurately. This dial clipper makes it quick and easy. On the box, it's come like that box, so you can carry easy with that box and you can store easily. Let's open that box. Okay, let me show you how to measure. First, open this one. You can lock with this one like that. Look. Okay, let's open. Put that money. Okay, let's close. Look at here is 0.9 and here is 64. So this is 0.964. Okay, this is 9 and we are measuring, we are adding 0.9, we are adding 0.9 to 0.64. Okay, look at. I can show you another example. Let's measure that battery like that. Okay, look at this is 1.9 plus 25, 1.925. Okay, look at this, that cup. Okay, this is 2.2 plus 58. So 2.258. 0.2 plus 11. So this is 0.211. 6-inch dial clipper for different projects around the house and simple to use. You can measure outside dimension, inside dimension, depth, and step measurement. So one tool handles everything. Dial is large and easy to read, making it simple and get accurate measurement. Okay, it's easy. Stainless steel body feels strong and durable. It comes with protective storage case and help keep safe when you are not using it. With this one, it comes. Need accurate measurement without using the digital caliper. I think this is the one definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching.